Hi guys, this is Katie from Englease.com and welcome back to our channel. Let's get started. So today, if you notice here behind me, I have 5 words written on the board. These 5 words are the sequence that we usually use in telling a story. So if you're ever writing an essay, if you're taking the TOEFL, the IELTS, the SATs, or any English exam, you're gonna have to encounter a writing section. So in this writing or essay section, you need to have some sequence for your story or for your topic or whatever you're writing about. If it requires sequence and listing, then you need to know the keywords to start every paragraph or every new point with. So to get started, I have the word first. So first, number 1. It's what you start with. You start by saying first. Let's have an example. Let's say I decided to talk about my day, how I wake up, from the minute I wake up to the minute I go to work. So I retrace my steps and I say, first, I get out of bed and turn the alarm. Next, I go to the bathroom and brush my teeth. Then I wash my face and I put my makeup on. After that, I get dressed and finally I head out of the door. So these are the steps that I take when I first wake up to the second I leave the house and come to work. Okay, let's take another example. Let's say you want to give someone directions on how to prepare a pizza. So you would say, first, you get your dough and roll it in a circular way or circular motion. Next, you put on the ketchup, you put on the sauce, you put on the pesto sauce, barbecue, marinara, whatever you want. Then you add your toppings. After that, you add the cheese. And finally, you bake it in the oven. So these are some steps that you said or you used with the sequence keywords to tell a story or to give a recommendation or to trace a step or to list something. These are the keywords that you usually use because they're the most professional, they're the clearer, everybody gets them, everybody knows that when you start you say first, and that when you first, next, then, after that, and finally. These are the universal sequence keywords. And don't forget to use them whenever you're telling a story, even if you're talking with your friends, when you're practicing English with your friends, if you're ever talking with someone and you want to tell a story, use these keywords because they're professional. You could practice them. You could practice sequence with these keywords. And I hope you liked today's lesson because it really helps in writing essays in your IELTS, TOEFL, SAT exams, or whatever English exam you're taking, even college exams, school exams. Any English exam will require an essay, and an essay will require a sequence. So focus and be careful and use these words. So I'll see you guys next time. Bye.